Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Makeover Monday. I haven't done this in a very long time. So without further ado, here we are. This is my friend Jada, and I'm starting off just by wiping off any excess moisture she may have on her face. And then I'm going in to fill in her eyebrows. I am using one of the Anastasia Beverly Hills pomades to fill in her eyebrows, and then I'm going to use concealer to define them. I almost forgot, I actually applied some primer to her face and then I defined her eyebrows with the concealer. Okay, so after I'm done with her eyebrows, I went ahead and applied some eyelid primer. I think this is the one by Kat Von D. It's the one I tend to grab for the most. And then now I'm going in with just a light brown color, and I'm going to use it as a transition color. And then I'm going to use 3 different shades of brown on the outer corner, and this is just going to create some depth. Okay, so now I'm going to take the shimmery color and I'm going to apply it to her lid. And I just love how this just makes everything come together like seamlessly. It just looks really nice. Also, I want to mention that throughout this video you will notice the lighting change. She's gonna go from like brown to gray. I don't know what was going on, but the lighting was really annoying. Her foundation is going to look off, but I promise you guys everything matched. So here I'm just going under her eyes with the same colors that I used, and I'm just gonna blend everything out. Alright, as you can see, the color has changed again, but here I'm applying her foundation all over her face, and I'm just going to blend it out with that sponge. Okay, so after applying her foundation, I went ahead and applied some concealer under her eyes, down the bridge of her nose, the middle of her forehead, and her chin. And this is going to be her highlighting concealer, and I'm just blending everything out. Okay, so now I'm going to apply this translucent powder to bake under her eyes and everywhere else I place the concealer. I believe I used a Laura Mercier translucent powder. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and apply her contour. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and dust off the translucent powder, and I think it was after this experience when I was just like, you know what, this used to be my favorite powder, but it definitely doesn't work for everyone, but I ended up figuring it out, so all good. After that, I'm going to go ahead and apply her eyeliner. You guys, I love a good wing eyeliner, and it's my favorite to use on all my clients. Okay, so now I'm applying some mascara to her eyelashes, and typically after this step I apply false lashes, but Jada has great eyelashes, so I convinced her that she did not need them. I mean, do you see the length? I'm jealous. And then after that I went ahead and applied some blush. I believe it's the blush that I use for most of my videos by Wet n Wild, which you can't go wrong with, so go pick it up. And then after that, for her highlight, I'm using a strobe light from Milani Cosmetics. Okay, so the last thing I did was apply some setting spray, which everyone seems to hate. And yeah, her look is complete. And as you can see, she loved it. The only thing missing is her lip color, but she just put on gloss, and at that point my battery died. But anyhow, this is a complete look. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you thumb it up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.